Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the future tense in English and it is super easy. Let's get started. The future tense is used to talk about something that hasn't happened yet but will happen later. We often use the word will to talk about the future. I will eat lunch at 1 p.m. That means I haven't eaten yet, but I plan to eat at 1 p.m. That means this is my decision. I will be doing this in future. The basic structure of the future tense is subject
Will
plus base
plus
verb.
base verb.
Base verb, you can also call it as first form of the verb. For example, I will go to school. I will watch a movie. They will play football. To ask a question about any future activity, you can just put will in the beginning. So you use, will you come to the party? Will it rain tomorrow? Will we go to the beach? Will you be doing this for me tomorrow? Something like that. To say no, you can add not after will. For example, I will not be late or I will not go to the party. You can also say I won't be late or he won't eat pizza. Won't simply means will plus not, but won't is more common in informal daily life situations. Now look at some common mistakes which a non-native speaker usually do while using will. For example, I will went to the store. No, because went is second form of the verb and we do not use second form of the verb. Instead, you will say I will go to the store. Always use first form in future tenses. Now next is she go to the school tomorrow. No, she will go to the school tomorrow. I will going to eat. No, I will eat. You cannot use going and will together. Either use will or use going to be. For example, I am going to eat tomorrow, or I'm going to eat later, or I will eat now or later. Now, let's have a look at some more examples. I will do my homework, or you will travel next week. You will meet our friends. You can or you can skip time markers. For example, you want to say, I will be doing this tomorrow, or I will do this later, or I will plan this activity later. All these time markers at the end, it will be optional if you want to specify time. Now that's it, that's a wrap. And the future tense is all about things that will happen in future. They haven't happened yet. So remember the basic structure of will is will plus base verb. Base verb is also first form of the verb. Now, you can practice more. You can try using will not, or you can try creating questions by using will for your future activities. If you have any more questions regarding future tenses, please write down in comment section and we can try to discuss. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.